What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the AWE windfoilers for the GR Supra, and we're going to be installing it, and we'll take a quick drive and hear what the difference is between having the windfoilers and without. It's already hurting my ear, so let's try to listen. See what's up, if you guys can hear that. Yep, definitely. It's wind buffeting. 80 miles per hour. Wind buffeting has always been an issue since it got released. So today we're gonna fix that problem. Now for the unboxing. There's a blow pop. Blow pop. All right, AWE. So we have the 3M adhesives right here. You get the AWE sticker. Look at that presentation. It's actually pretty sleek. Look at that design. You got the AW logo on it right here on the side. So these are like hard plastic. Tape the other side onto the foiler and then just fold it in to make sure that it fits like the contour. Let's install it. I'll give you guys some detailed shots and see how it looks. Double check. Make sure we got the right fitment. All right, perfect. Looks tight. Doesn't look bad at all. When I turn off the lights, you won't even know it's there. They say wind buffeting happens around above 55 to 60. Roll the windows down. Not as bad as last time, but nothing like wind buffeting anymore. You just hear the noise of the air, you can enjoy the breeze. It doesn't hurt my ears no more. So, that's good.